Hello and welcome to the channel, and let's check out Bricklink Designer Program Series 11. So voting is open. You can vote until May 25th. So let's check out how many 579 designs in this one. And there is, can't say bad, there is lots of them. Oh, Legends of Gregstone. I believe this one was in some others. Pirates of the Seven Seas. Let's put this bad boy over here for later on, because this one does look quite interesting. So vintage biplane, Frankie Market, snow globes, Lagoon Bay does look okay. The Cup of Oblivion, Medieval Village, Tiny Workshop of the Forest, Medieval Outpost, Viking Longship. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description so you can check for yourself, because there is lots of pages, lots of designs. I'm sure you can find some for yourself. This one does look quite interesting with the purple and everything. Sheriff, chicken coop. This one. So that small set would be quite interesting as well. Transylvania Citadel, English Cottage, Driftwood Keep by Brickhammer. This was in my top 5 few series ago. Quite nice build. There's 25 pages of this, so this could take some time. If you like the content, feel free to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel. Griffin Nest Castle, Galaxy Starship, Area 54. House of Astrology. See, Ruby of the Sea, Steampunk City. Kinda like it. Yeah, but there is so many designs, it's gonna be really Desert Fortress, Medieval Cathedral. It's gonna be hard to point 5 for sure for my top 5. Pirate Retreat, Iceland Lodge House. Oh, Training Ground. I'm kinda really sad that this was not picked in top 5 series 10. I mean, this is just amazing build for me. Just so good. So good. Merchant Wharf Cog, Tales of Sword. This would be a nice for that small set for sure. Skeleton Kings, Flagship, Brick Sale. Let's put that one up. Pirate Lighthouse, Christmas Shop, Outlaw Outpost. Yeah, not bad. Beacon Monastery, Fort Imperial Guards, Fort Estrella. This looks like a lot of things that you can play with this one. Oregon Trail, Monkey Skull Island. Oh, violin. I know my son would love this. This would. Porto del Sol Customs and Contraband. From this side, so, but from this side, quite nice. I'll put this and check out later. Roman Temple, Attack on Arcane Academy. Fantasy chests, elves versus dwarves. Interesting. Old Grain Mill, Naval Engagement. I know if you follow my channel, you will know that Pirates and Castle are something that I will always pick. Crimson Pagoda. What's this? Crimson Hills Trading Post. Looks interesting at least. Mech, Odyssey Prime, Bandit Hideout. Falling Blossom. Mirror to brick. I will check this one. It does look quite nice. So let's see. City of Kraken. Oh, City on the Kraken Sea. Okay. What else we have here? Dragon Rider. Medieval Forest Trail. I will check this. Watchtower of the Damned. This type of build, if Lego would make this for like 50-60 euros, this would be really amazing, but now we have 500 euros, 600, 800, 900 euro sets, man, crazy. Shipwreck Island, Medieval Watermill, Museum of Archaeology, a freight locomotive, Vintage tea house, interesting build. Ruby Comet, Throne Room, Bell Tower and Throne Room, Castle Rock, Medieval Stonemasons Guild. Yeah, nice idea. Pirate Trading Post. Lots of trains. Another locomotive or train. Another one. Yeah, there's lots of these. Verdigris Isle. I feel like this was in few of the ones before. Python Peak. So many. Oh, look at this. Pirate Fortress. Oh, this could be. It has that vibe of that training ground. Oh. Is this the same designer? No, this was Brick Project and this one Nicholas. But yeah, check it out. It does look quite nice. What else? Armada, Galleon, Speranza, Brick Perfection. I will check it out. Crossroad Fortress, Bricky Bricks, Mech Knight. Good luck, Bricky Bricks. I love your builds. What else? We have here Royal Stallion, Castle, Brick Monarch also has lots. Brick Monarch also has lots of nice builds. Brick Hammer, my all-time favorite. This was one of my top 5 few series ago. Railway station, white pop box, popcorn. Kinda interesting. And how many you would lose if you have this? Pirate ship Penelope. Adventures Guild Brick Artisan, also one of those unrebrickable, same as Bricky Bricks. There's lots of nice builds for sure. Frozen Outpost, Forest Tower. Uncle Cave. Yeah, nice build, but yeah, just 5 from 580. It's gonna be really hard, and even then, this pizza corner, there is, yeah, lots of. Oh, look at this bad boy. Check that out. Royal Vault, I believe I did make a little bit of review on that one. Valle Castello. It does look interesting from this first picture. So we're gonna check that out. We are only on the half, so another galleon. Oh, so many. Does look interesting for sure. Brick Monarch, Lord Brixen Keep, Hot Rod Club, Desert Surprise, I would love this for as a Lego build. Orcs. What else we have over here? Dragon Spire, Monkey Scout Treasure. Yeah, there is lots of them. It's gonna be really hard to decide, at least for me, one of my top 5. I know maybe not all like the same things that I like, but yeah. The binary. Archery shop and Thieves Guild. Theater. Ah, no, this picture does look really nice. What else we have over here? There is so many. Amber Iso Trading Company. Kinda looks interesting from the front, from the back. So. I will check it out just in case. I already have a lot up there, so it's gonna be interesting for sure. Let's scroll a little bit more. Royal Guards Fortress, Pepper's Pizzeria, 16 Elder Spiders Retreat. I did check out that some time ago. Bricky Brick, the Nest. Even if it's not in my top 5, I really wanna check out. And Bricky Bricks has crazy builds. Wild West Fort, Elven Citadel, Snake Rock, Waterfort, Crimson Citadel. That looks nice. From Krakinator. I'll check it out. Dungeons, Mountain Monastery. Oh, it's gonna be interesting. Fort, Gingerbread Cottage. Ah, quite a nice one. Maple Sugar Shack. Orcs Hut over here. Yeah, we need sets like this. Smaller sets, not oversized sets. Deep Forest Headquarters. The Tilebound. Deadman Court. Yeah, what else we have over here? Skull Renegade versus Blue Coat Ship. 2 ships in one set. That would be nice. Medieval Harbor. The Oro Outpost. I will check it just to see. Just to see what else we have here. Page 19, Samurai Castle. This was one of those that I do like, but yeah, not all can come. What's this? General Hospital. I know people would love this because I don't think there is any hospital for Lego, so this might get voted a lot. Royal Nest, Santa Train. Page 20. Write me in comments which one do you like the most on this video, so we will see how close, how far I am. That's by Isle. Cauldron of Shadows. Oh, this is nice. So a tree in the middle and houses on the tree. That's not a bad idea. A real nice idea. Let's see, number Stone Spire Citadel. Yeah, there is lots of these locomotives and trains. Steampunk Explorer. Oh, what we have here? Kingsburg Medieval Village Fair. Oh, yeah. I like it. By Brick Project, of course. Brick by Nick. I do like this one, but yeah, maybe not in. If this was a Lego set, sure, why not? But and Visit Tower. What else? There's a few more pages, but there is lots of designs. Watchers of the Midnight Sea. Oh, look at this galley of warriors. Serpent Knights Seaside Castle. This looks really big. Iceland Fortress. Legend Wagon. Mountain Monastery. Japanese Castle. New High Street. Candlemaker Cottage. I don't like the roof. This one looks interesting. The Dark Wizard's Tower. Iron Reef. Two more pages. Let's see. Griffin Frontier Tower. Empire Station. Car Park Cantina. Dragonbone Manor. Pirate Throne. Yes, I need this. Yeah, small but nice. Castle Talon Stone. What else we have here? One more page. Roadside Cottage Tavern. So that's basically that. Yeah, lots of Pirates of the Seven Sea, Coast Training Ground, Skeleton Flagship. This will check this. Naval Engagement. Trading Post. Mount Blossom. Yeah, there is really some nice. I do like this one. Pirate Fortress. Galleon. Pirates. Yeah, this one. I do love these. Yeah. So that's about that for this one. I'll put the link in the description. Go check it out for yourself. And write me in comments your top 5. Just top 5. We'll see. So thank you and see you next one.